Welcome, my name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my opportunity that's ending soon. And what I'm doing is, this is for people who have teaching onlys, who looking to start their own business, make extra income for the upcoming tax season, and they need training, support, guidance, leadership, and accountability. And they want to work with someone who has a program already in place that's going to help them get started really fast, help them to be ready for the upcoming tax season. But you must take action now. Don't come to me in the last 90 days of this year talking about getting you ready for the upcoming tax season, because that's not going to be sufficient enough time to get you ready. Because especially if you're new and inexperienced, you want to spend as much time as possible learning how to prepare basic income tax returns and getting good and confident with that. You want to master the software we use to do the work with and be confident with that. You want to learn and understand the realistic realities of what it's going to take for you to go out here and promote your business and get the type of success you want to have, and be confident and willing to do that. And so that's going to take time to manifest itself. And 90 days from the time tax season start is not sufficient. That's only for the person that's well versed, that's well groomed, that's already in this industry, who already got clientele experience, and a whole lot of those things to go along with that helps them to be able to do what they need to do. But for the new person that's inexperienced, you don't want to wait the last 90 days to get started. That's putting you're already behind the 8 ball as it is, and then you're gonna put yourself behind another 8 ball by waiting to the last 90 days and expect someone to help you get ready for the upcoming tax season. You gotta look in the mirror and ask yourself, is that realistic expectations for you to even achieve? Especially if I have to teach you how to do basic tax returns, if I have to teach you how to use the professional software, if I got to set the stage to let you know that if you're not going to get yourself out here and be the face of your own business and your own brand, especially providing a service like we do, then your income potential is going to be limited. And when it comes to the clientele base you're going to be able to reach and do business with. So you must understand these things and be able to prepare yourself for these things so you can get ready for the upcoming tax season in a realistic way. And so I have an opportunity, flat rate $495. If you purchase before the 15th, as a bonus, the revenue share percentage that you pay on the back end will be waived, meaning you're only gonna pay $495. And during the upcoming tax season, all the money you make from the clients you bring in goes directly to you. And so that's the bonus I'm giving for people who make the purchase before July 15th, which means you have another day to make that happen. And then the course starts August the 1st. So this here opportunity gives you the opportunity to take a basic income tax course with me. I have a separate course that's outside of this promotion, but and so based on where you're at in your journey, if you're the person that already has a PTIN, and maybe you worked last year but you really didn't do well, and the person you work with didn't really help you do well, and you want to find someone else who can help you probably do better, then reach out to me at 773-782-1320. Let's talk, let's chat, let's see if I'm a good fit for you. And if you already watching me behind the scenes on my Facebook channel, and we talked already and you said you're going to take action this year, it's time to show up. It's time to be accountable. It's time to take action on what you say you're going to do, because, this is the business you say you want to start. This is the thing you said you want to be about. And so just be a person of your word to yourself first, and to follow it back with me, where we can get together and work together to get you ready for the upcoming tax season. And so when it's all said and done, this opportunity that I have for $495 is going to let you take basic income tax training. I'm going to teach you how to use the software as well, and we're going to let you know what it's going to take for you to be successful, as far as you building your brand, you building awareness, you building a reach, and being able to talk to people based on where you already live. Maybe you in a large populated city like I used to be in Chicago, where you have a whole lot of people you can potentially talk with who could become clients. And if you stay in a rural area where you don't have that option, then you definitely want to leverage online social media marketing strategies to help you build your client base. So take advantage of this opportunity to get started with the upcoming tax season by taking action now in July, because like I said, this opportunity here allows you to take a basic tax course if you feel you need it, or you can use it as a refresher aspect. It's going to teach you professional software training. I'm going to show you in up close and personal how to operate a tax preparation service for yourself. So when you're ready to go to the next level by getting your EFM, where you can buy your own professional software and register with a third-party bank, where you're in control of your own business, then you already know what that looks like, because you work with someone who on purposely showed you, intentionally showed you what a tax preparation business looks like from the inside out. You might know about it from the outside in, but from the inside out is what you get to see by working with me if you decide to join me and work with me in my mentorship and coaching program. So if you want to learn more directly from me, call me. My contact information inside my video. I'm going to have a couple of offers in there. One is strictly for the tax course. If you pay for it before tomorrow, it's $97, and that's the tax course only. After the 15th, it's $197. This opportunity is for people who got their teaching already, who may have already worked under someone but don't plan on going back to them at all, and you want to find someone else who may help you to do better. Give me an opportunity to see if I can help you make that happen. And my contact information is inside all my videos on YouTube. And so let's talk, let's chat, let's make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Look in the mirror and tell yourself you're sick and tired of being sick and tired of being sick and tired of not taking action on the stuff you say you want to do when it comes to starting a business in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching the replay. I'll see you in my next video.